What's up, you guys, and welcome to Taco Twin Tuesday.
Taco Twin Tuesday.
And today we're gonna be making some Nacho chicken wings.
Nacho chicken wings.
I know y'all like, what? Nacho chicken wings? Yes, we want to put our spin on some chicken wings. So I have the chicken wings right here. As you can see, I already done washed them. Now I'm going to season them. And voila. Alright, so now I done seasoned my chicken. Now it goes into the flour. Watch this. Alright, you guys, so now first we have to test the grease. Gotta make sure that mud is hot. Okay, I see you. I see you. Y'all ready? Let's go. Let's fry these bad boys. Alright, ooh. Good little sizzle. Okay, okay. Alright, alright. Yeah, it's getting hot in here. That's what you want to hear. Don't be playing around with the grease, you guys. Get in and get out. Alright, you guys, so we have to put on the last finishing touches. Alright, so we have some green onions. Take some of those bad boys. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Alright. Just put them all over there. Let it be pretty, okay? I love a lot of green onions, so we're going to put them muds on there. Ooh-wee. And voila. We are done. Here you go. If you like my recipes, please look in the comment below. I will leave not a link, but I will show you the recipe that I did for this, okay? All the little seasonings and things like that. But please subscribe and like and comment about what you think about this nacho chicken wings. All right, so it was Taco Twin Tuesday.
Taco Twin Tuesday.
See you here first, Miss Peaches. And
bye, guys.
bye.